Can't wait to play some cornhole. Oh great, the squirrels got to it. Luckily I have some canvas fabric and a cotton print so I can make some new ones. These cornhole bags are sturdy, easy to make, and highly customizable. So let's get to it. For this project you will need canvas fabric, a cotton print which is optional, matching thread, scissors, a ruler, and a fabric marker, or a rotary cutter and mat, pins, a scale or measuring cup, and whole kernel corn or another fill. Since I'll be making a whole bunch of bags, I started by making a cardboard template. The finished bags will be 6 by 6 inches, so this template is 7 by 7 inches to allow for a 1/2 inch seam allowance on all 4 sides. Use the template to cut out 2 pieces of canvas. This canvas is a nice durable fabric that will hold together really well. Place the squares together and pin in place. Sew with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, backstitching at both ends. Make sure to leave an opening of a few inches on one of the sides. I'm also going to sew a zigzag stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance for some extra strength. Don't forget to backstitch at both ends and leave a few inches open. Trim the corners and turn the bag right side out. Use a stick or something pointy to poke out the corners. Now it's time to pour the fill into the bag. Pour in about 2 cups or until the bag weighs between 14 and 16 ounces, which equals about 1 pound. Using a funnel or making a paper funnel helps quite a bit. I'm using whole kernel corn, which is affordable and easy to find. Keep in mind that over time, corn kernels can collect mold and mildew, so these would not be suitable for rainy or damp weather. Recycled plastic resin pellets or synthetic corn fill are better options for all weather play. Once the bag weighs between 14 and 16 ounces, which is at or just under 1 pound, shake the fill to the bottom of the bag and pin in place to hold down the filling. Fold and pin the edges together and sew the opening shut with a zigzag stitch. I'm also backstitching across the entire opening for added security. That's it for this beanbag. I made a complete set of 4 red and 4 blue bags. If you want to customize one side of the bag, cut out 1 piece of your cotton print using the template in addition to the 2 pieces of canvas. Sandwich this piece between the canvas before sewing. Make sure the opening will be at the top of the fabric. When you turn it right side out, the right side of the fabric should be facing out. Fill and sew the same way as before. If you want to customize both sides of the bag, cut 2 pieces of your cotton print and sandwich them between the canvas with the right sides facing together. Again, make sure the opening is at the top. Sew and fill the bag like before. And that's it. You're ready to get back in action. Thanks for watching. Check the link below to see our selection of colorful canvas fabric, and I'll see you next time.